Let's discover the Carnival Conquest bars and learn how you can get a Carnival Conquest bar crawl guide. If you stick around, you'll find out how to get your very own copy, printable copy of the Carnival Conquest bar crawl guide. Let's start talking about the bars. We gotta show you some things, including menus. The SkyBox Sports Bar, one of my favorite bars on board Carnival Conquest. I went there to check out the big game and I got myself a bucket of beers.
Nice.
What better way to enjoy the game than with some nice cold beers, hanging out with fellow sports fans, watching the big game on big screens. They also have a few of your choices of beers in the beer bucket, craft beer, imports, even zero proof beers. They've also got cocktails like the SkyBox signature cocktails. There's 3 of those, and the MVP.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's Hennessy, peach schnapps, and cranberry juice. Doesn't that sound awesome?
Yeah.
Sports bar on a cruise ship, only on Carnival Conquest. Well, and other great Carnival ships, but I loved it. I think you'll love it too. What's another bar they should check out?
Another great one is the Punchliner Comedy Club. So at the Punchliner Comedy Club, there is a no drink minimum. So you can have as many drinks as you want to have.
Or as few as you want.
Or as few as you want, exactly. So one drink that they offer is called the Sex on the Stage.
Why? Okay.
Yeah, it's a good drink.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It has vodka, peach schnapps, and orange juice and cranberry juice. Really yummy.
Yum.
Get your fruit for the day. Another great drink is called Sweet Spicy Jester.
Ooh.
So that includes vodka, chipotle pineapple juice, and mint leaves.
So you can go and have a great time, laughing the night away, no drink minimum, and you can order some great drinks too. If you're looking for an outdoor beer, check out the Frog Rum Bar. It's a Carnival classic, and you can get your Carnival exclusive Thirsty Frog beer or your favorite beer or rum. They also have cocktails like the Dirty Mojito, spiced rum, brown sugar, mint, lime, and club soda. That sounds refreshing.
It does.
There's also their special Caribbean colada, rum, coconut, banana, and pineapple. Very refreshing at the Red Frog Rum Bar.
Sounds good. Another great bar to go to is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. And you can either get like Corona or Dos Equis beer. They also have a drink called the Mango Margarita, and it has El Jimador rum, mango puree, citrus, and simple syrup and pineapple juice. Also at the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar is a drink called Blues Blue Margarita, and that includes tequila, blue carousel, simple syrup, and lime juice.
Wow.
Doesn't that sound yummy? And it sounds so pretty.
Yeah, very blue. I don't think I'd be blue drinking it though. So we hope you aren't blue. We hope you are enjoying this. If you are, hit the thumbs up icon below to let us know you like this sort of video. Now on to the next bar. Carnival Conquest also has the very unique Vincent's Jazz Bar. Go and enjoy some jazz music. Get your favorite cocktail, beer, or wine at Vincent's Jazz Bar. What's next?
The next bar is the Alchemy Bar. That's a fun bar because they make craft drinks that are very unique. So one of them is the 40 is the new 20. And what that includes in that drink is pomegranate liqueur, vodka, and cranberry juice. Another great drink that they offer is called the Remedy. That has dark rum, coconut rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, and lime juice, all mixed together.
Wow, sounds like a great cocktail.
I know.
Another outdoor bar you'll find in the adult-only area at the Aft Pool, the Aft Pool Bar. I love going to these Aft Pool Bars because it's usually quieter, just like the pool is quieter. And when we were on Carnival Conquest, this was my go-to spot. We went there to get you some frozen mango drinks,
That's
and
right.
I'd go there to get my beers. The Sky Aft Pool Bar. Just head all the way back on the Lido deck.
Another great bar is Blues Piano Bar, and to stick with the blue theme is the drink called Blue Note. Vodka, gin, rum, blue carousel, sour mix, and lemon lime soda.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for joy on the Carnival Conquest, just look for the lady carrying the blue drink. She really likes those blue drinks.
Exactly. Another great drink is the Be Sharp drink. That includes vodka, chipotle pineapple syrup, and pineapple juice.
Wow, that sounds great.
Yeah, very sweet with the pineapple juice.
Mm-hmm.
The next drink that I'm going to let you know about is this is a zero proof drink, meaning you don't have to worry about getting drunk. What? Because it's zero proof.
Yeah.
So
what is it?
It's called Tropical Rhythm. It has fruit punch, coconut, and pineapple juice mixed together. Sounds good.
Well, that sounds good if you don't want alcohol. Hopefully you want to see more of our videos though. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, just wait to follow us so you don't miss our next cruise videos. Now for more bars. For all the gamblers out there, there's the Casino Bar, a bar right in the casino area, nice and convenient for those playing slots or table games. And for those of you who are in the Players Club, you get the benefits of having a bar right there. What else we got?
Another great bar to try out is the Artist Lobby Bar. It's also known as the Atrium Bar, quiet during the day and has activities in the evening that the cruise director will tell you what's happening there.
Yeah, it can be a lot of fun. During the day, it's pretty quiet, laid back atmosphere, but you're right, in the evening, live music, entertainment. Cruise director does show up sometimes. It can be a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
One more bar I should mention. It's not really a bar, but it is a drinking option. If you want to be your own bartender, look for the beer station. You can pour yourself one of the exclusive Carnival beers and enjoy.
I'll drink to that.
If you want to drink at all these bars or check out a whole bunch of them, be sure to get our printable Carnival Conquest Bar Crawl Guide. You can find out how to get your own copy in the description down below. For more on the Carnival Conquest, be sure to watch this video next.